Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very top of the list and find About Phone. Now we have to localize this OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Here we've got the information, so we can go back to the general list of the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. Here we have to scroll down and localize developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, really. So among others, you can, for example, destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. Here you can change the contrast, for example, just tap on it, and here you've got the high option, medium one, or the standard. You can also, for example, change the window animation scale. You can show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options connected with the no working overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, I've actually shown it to you on the contrast. So all you have to do is to tap on it to open more options to choose from, and of course tap on the one you'd like to apply. So this is how to customize the developer options. You can always turn off the developer options just by going to the top of the list and tapping on this switcher. Your device will need to be restarted, so just tap on restart, and after that the developer options will disappear from the system settings, so they will not be visible right here. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS versions tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.